Else Matters now. Are you aware that donating just 1 unit of blood can save the lives of 3 patients? This is why the global health community is urging African governments to prioritize national blood transfusion services to ensure that lives are saved with available blood. Health correspondent Kemi Balogun reports.
About 7 million people are in need of blood and blood products, and they remain affected due to shortages in blood donation in Africa. Orji has just donated blood for the 46th time and says this is something he does for the sake of saving lives. He tells us why he started.
I was on a journey between Ile-Ife and Ibadan some years ago while still an undergraduate in Ife. And there was an accident, and we picked up one of the victims, took him to UCH. 3 days later, I was coming into UCH and someone coming out was greeting me. I didn't even recognize it was someone. It's difficult to describe that kind of feeling. That's the way it feels when you give blood, like you just saved their life, literally.
Blood donation in Nigeria remains low, but it is steadily rising, and experts believe that with more efforts, the target to reach 1 million units of blood will be achieved.
We're still very low in terms of this voluntary blood donation. We are still just about 8%. That's very low. And a day like this, that gives us an opportunity to increase our advocacy.
As we progress to the next 1 or 2 years, our aim is to have minimum of 1 million saved blood units at each time in Nigeria, and where we're going. So blood donation is increasingly getting higher.
For blood donors like Orji, this day reflects on the need to give back and to also receive when in need.
I've had 2 major surgeries in my life. I'm sure someone's blood helped me. And each time I have donated, the next time I come, 3 months later, I find that my blood has it's come up to level. The body has its own system of, making up for what is short. So it's okay, it's safe.
The situation of low blood donation still remains challenging in many countries like Nigeria due to several factors of funding, staff shortage, and the lack of blood donor education. This year's theme of the World Blood Donor Day is Donating Blood is an Act of Solidarity, which highlights the critical role of voluntary blood donations in saving lives and enhancing community solidarity. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.